audience a little bit more about your current role.
Today I work as a lawyer, as VP and Chief International Counsel at PayPal, based here in Singapore, and I have the absolute privilege and honour of working with a team of about 70 around the world. My team is sort of dispersed in about 15 different locations. Because we're sort of a tech company as well as finance company, the pace is fairly fast and furious, and we sort of navigate legal issues and support the business in a way that in some cases hasn't been done before. So really, we work together supporting the business in navigating a very complex and sometimes ambiguous regulatory landscape across the world, which is a lot of fun.
How does PayPal tackle this back to work policies for mum?
Look, we have a lot of focus on sort of diversity and inclusion in the company. It's a sort of a deep part of our values, and we sort of have flexible working arrangements as well. We have policies where people can ask for flexibility. Even within my own team, I don't even like to be overly formal about it. I would say I'm much more concerned about outputs, outcomes and culture, and the team being a place that people want to be working in, really, and the rest flows in my experience.